Hey, what's up guys? This is Ivan Ramy from Bot and Cop Bot Support, back again with another video. This video will cover my ominous setup for Walmart Plus console drops. If you do not have a Walmart bot and would like to have one of your accounts ran for, you should consider joining Bot and Cop. This morning I announced we'll be adding free Walmart ACO for paying members. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below where you can join Bot and Cop. With that being said, we can just jump into the setup. So for Walmart, one of the most important things is having accounts, especially with these console drops as they require Walmart Plus. I personally run 10 accounts, but you can go around there for, it just depends on how you want to scale and how many consoles you'd like to get. So let's go ahead and jump into accounts. I already made a profile group, account group for this. So it's called Walmart YouTube. Let's click add. Now all you have to do is put the email and then put a colon password. You also have a chance to put a proxy in after. That's up to you. Let's go ahead and add my account. Also, one thing to note, I'm running on a server. The reason is speeds are faster and you're able to run more tasks and not worry about your computer not being able to handle it. So looks good. There's not going to be any messages here. Just like that. So let's go ahead and click task, create task. So you're going to see there's 3 different modes here. The 2 we're worried about is queue and experimental. Queue is the safer of the 2 for console drops. It'll put you in queue and eventually check out for you. So let's go ahead and click queue first. We're going to be running both on one account. Let's go ahead and get the SKU. I'm going to go ahead and grab PS5 disc. All right, I got that. So quantities 1, profile, account group, the one I just made. I know there's one account in there now. So price check. Please make sure you guys fill this out because it's really important. Otherwise, you'll check out a third party possibly. So I'm going to go ahead and put 560 for the disc. Again, the price should be, the max should be whatever it is plus tax. So it'll depend on what state you are in. Profile group, I'm going to click one and then unselect them all and then just choose the one you like to use for that account. Now for proxies, I recommend you guys to use RESIS. I'll leave a link down below. The ones I use is AYCD, OXYLABS. Those work perfectly. Otherwise, if you use ISPs, usually they get banned pretty quickly and you won't be able to cop. So I'm going to go ahead and click these RESIS. Task quantity, I'll leave it at 1. Down below, this is more optional for you guys, but I just leave it as it is. I do not want it to match with my profile. I already know which one I'm using for each account. And I do not want to generate an account because I already have mine made with Walmart Plus attached already. So I'm going to go ahead and click add. Stay on here because we're going to be doing the same thing. So this is going to be experimental. You can have it, you can have 1 queue and 1 experimental per SKU on each account. There you go. So then for this, that would be done for that account. So one thing to note is you'll be starting these tasks about 5 minutes or so before the actual drop happens. Reason is you just want to make sure your accounts are logged in and ready to be in the queue. Once you do that, you're set. And also pay attention to how I'm laying out my task groups. Just in case Walmart changes, let's say they change the disc SKU, I can go ahead and just click edit and then change the SKU right here. So it'll save you a lot of time instead of going one by one. I believe that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and leave a comment as well. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you.